Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achilaga khobor janai de ase. Jigar Magurulu District Karnataka de 22 sal naga chukuri ekta tai laga kor Arvind Nagar de hang guri gana muri gana bashi goi ase. Tai laga nam doile Lensola taidu Kifiri District laga ase goina janibuli dishe. Idu laga incidents nuha age de Murija manu doile KVC kinimi loko de half an hour kotha kurishi goi ase. Aru tai laga diary de Rajesh aru Teja laga nam likhina taichun bra harassment kurishi goi gana likhina rakhi dishe goi ase. Idu laga incidents obo de Lasila Mjukar bra Pasawana Hari Police Station de Tejas aru Rajesh laga khilaf de complaint file kurishi goi gana janibole dishe. Report bi chanai dia ase ke idu laga diary de Rajesh aru Deja bra relation aru moram laga nam de physical aru mental harassment gurishe koina likhi kena thakishe koi ase idu laga opor de police kam bra chanpin do ele suru hoi jashe koi kana janai dishe Mukokchung district de 28 Kuridang Assembly constituency de by elections loble thakya karne office of the chairman ceasefire monitoring group aru ceasefire supervisor board bra Mukokchung district de thakya laga sob nation factions kan ge janai de ase ke election somoy de peace maintain koribo karne bunduk khan buki kena pera bole doile mana kuri dishe koi ase within Mukokchung district de bunduk khan buki kena pera bole mana kuri dia doile March 24 bra suru kuri kena further notice nathaka tak thakibo koi ase authority bra janai dia ase ke chiti restriction hadai di bole ase kushe gole to May date 4 laga piche de situation sai kana kuribo koi na janai dishe order dia ke sob te janai dia ase ke ceasefire identity card thura kan bi melai kana sob supplies kan ge apply hobo koi kana janai dishe aru deputy commissioner Mukokchung and district election officer ba janai dia ase ke elections to ele pal ba lobo karne head of department government officer aru staff kan edu elections duty karne assign guri kana thaka khan ge nijo laga respective station de thakibole laga opor de janai dishe report te janai dia ase ke chidi officers noile staff kan station chari kana jabole ase kushe gole do TC and EDO laga written permission lobo lagi goi ase district administration ba one guri ase ke chidi idu laga order de follow kura nai kushe gole do idu manuka laga khilaf de relevant law laga hisab de strict actions toile lobo goi ase aru idu laga directive toile further notice na thaka tak enforce thakibo goi na janai dishe Aro Nagaland State Government Canberra 28 Kuridang Assembly Constituency de date 9 do hele pay holiday declare kurishe koi ase government ba sob voters kan ge by election de participate kuribole laga janai dishe Home Department kan ba notification issue kura ke representations of the People's Act 1951 laga sections 135p laga hisab de constituency laga eligible electors kan government office bank private establishment aro industrial unit laga employees kan ge idu laga tin de doile pay leave grant guri dishe koi ase order dia ge takan ba clarified di kana bi janai dia ase ke constituency laga electors kan idu laga boundary bahar de kam gura thaka kan ge bi idu laga din de doile pay holiday di dishe koi ase idu hoishe gole takan bra vote cast kuribole miss nokuribo koi na janai dishe Mukokchung district de by elections lobule thakia karni Directorate of Revenue Intelligence pra public kan ge janai de ase ke electoral process ke influence kuribo karni illegal activities noile illegal smuggling laga khopor opor de takan ge report dibole laga janai disha Agency bra janai de ase ke kidia model code of conduct enforce hoi jabo takan doile bishi dangor role play kuribo koi ase free and fair elections ke disrupt kuribo karni illegal business kura laga noile contraband items kan puki kena pera laga opor de prevent kuribo karni ase koi ase agency kamra public kan ge janai de ase ki idu laga humoi do hushar thakibole laga janai she aro jidi illegal smuggling gri ase narcotic copy coal foreign currency wildlife items noile illegal activities kan kuri ase kushe kole to takan ge khobor dibole laga janai dishe PRI kan ba aro public kan ge information janai de ase ki chidi takan laga informations ba saman kan seize kuri ase kushe kole to government policy laga hisab de takan ge reward dibo goi ase aro kon manu bra information dibo itu manu laga identity toile confidential rakhibo koina janai dishe US Israel aro Iran laga majode war jai thakia laga opore hinaga update kuri dia ase US President Donald Trump bra Pakistan laga troop bra war khatam kuribo karne Iran kan ge 15 point plan proposal dishe koi ase United States kan bra 15 point plan do ile officially bra publicly kurana hoile bi ami khan janibole para do ile 15 point plan de Iran bra nuclear bomb na thakibo lagi gushe Iran laga nuclear program do ile dismantle kuribo lage Iran laga uranium enrich kuri thakia do ile surrender kuribo lage aro Iran khan ba ballistic missile program kuri thakia do ile pon kuri dibo lage aro Iran ba regional proxies kan ge Hezbollah Houthis kan ge support kuri thakia do ile pon kuri dibo lage gushe aro Strait of Hormuz do ile permanently bra free maritime zone goina declare kuribo lage gushe aro 15 point plans de bi Donald Trump bra janai dia ase ke 1 month ceasefire thakibo gushe jidi Iran bra itu accept kurishe gole do United States kan bra nuclear related laga issue de sanction lagai thakia doile hadai dibole laga janai dishe hoile bi Iran khan bra 15 point plan doile reject kuri dishe goi kana janai dishe Elections Commission of India bra khobor janai de ase ke Assam Kerala Tamil Nadu West Bengal Puducherry laga Legislative Assembly de elections lobole thakia karni aro 6 state laga 8 assembly constituency de Nagaland melai gana by elections lobole laga opor exit poll publish kura do hele ban guri dishe goi ase Office of the Chief Electoral Officer Nagaland brabi khobor kuri de ase ke edu laga restrictions to hele April 9 7 am bra lui gena April 29 6:30 pm dak thakibo goi ase edu laga homoy de access poll laga results kan print media electronic media kan ge publish kura do hele strictly prohibit kuri dishe goi ase mane elections time de vote thali dia biche de edu candidate eman vote pai ase edu candidate eman vote pai ase tai chidi jabo noile tai harai jabo goina edu laga opinions kan media ke kobole noile print media khan ge likhibole doile mana guri dishe goi ase takhan ba clarification guri gana janai de ase ke elections khatam noha dak 48 hours laga majot de electronic media khan ge opinion poll noile survey khan gura bi permit guri dia nai kwala bi janai dishe ajila khobor iman de rakhi di ase chidi kumba manu nutun sai dakile moram bra subscribe like aro share guri dibi goina request guri di ase